So I thought I'd do a video on the Lash tiles. I have been using these guys, which I got on Amazon, and they're kind of round. They're nice and heavy, which is awesome, but the problem is that when you put a new strip on, they really don't stick very well. So as you can see, I've been taping the edges to hold them down because the sides seem to kind of pop up. But then, of course, when you get ready to put a new one on, you either have to pull the whole tape, which sometimes pulls them, or just keep adding tape. And it's really difficult. Like right now, they're sticking nicely, but usually they're constantly popped up, which really makes it difficult for pulling the lashes. So I went back on Amazon and I found these guys, and these are flat. They're a little bit more narrow, so the tabs are sticking a little bit off the edges, but that's fine. I feel like that'll make it easier for replacing the tabs as I go. And it has like this nice little, kind of like a divot. It's not really huge, but it's perfect for putting like the stickers for the glue dots. Or like if you use the little bounce pads, the stickies will go with it pretty perfectly. So it's not going to be as nice because the round ones, they kind of fan the lashes out a little bit for you. Whereas these, it's just solid. They're just there, but they're nice and heavy. They're nice and sturdy. So when you pull a lash, it's not going to pull the tile up. But I feel like these are going to work a little bit better.